Hi, and welcome to the watercolor tutorial with the Artistic Per. New to this channel, my name is Mel. Today we'll be coloring Cinderella, and I am going to leave all the supplies that I used down in the description box below, but here I am just setting up my Winsor Newton watercolor set and my aqua watercolor pencil. If you are new to this channel and you haven't already subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and also do make sure that you hit the bell notification button so that you are notified of all my videos. You are going to want to subscribe to this channel if you like art tutorials. And I am currently working on a couple of art tutorial series. At the moment I'm working on a watercolor series and a drawing series. So you are going to want to subscribe to my channel for that one. Now I am just starting off by coloring her sleeves. And I am just using a cobalt blue from my Winsor Newton watercolor Cotman set. This is the large palette set, I believe it is 48 colours. And I am just using my aqua watercolor brush. You can buy these for really cheap off Amazon. And do please hit the like button down below if you do like my video, that way I will know to make more content just like this one. I will leave a link in the video so that you can go check out the previous video for this one, which is where I show you how to draw Cinderella. I am now using a mid light darkish kind of brown, and I am just watering it down in areas where I want the brown to be a little bit lighter. And I actually use that same technique for the blue on the sleeves. And I'm just using simple back and forth brush strokes and some circular motion brush strokes in the center here. So I will be switching to a lighter brown for the skirt part of the dress. And then I will be painting over with another brown so I can get some of those mid-tones showing through to represent the darker light areas of the skirt. This technique is really good to use with watercolors because watercolors dry really quickly, so unlike acrylic paint, you don't have to wait very long to do your second coat. And here you can see I'm using that light brown yellowish colour for the undercoat of her skirt on the dress. And again, I am just using a combination of back and forth brush strokes and circular motions for the blending. And I'm also using the other technique where I was watering it down with my aqua watercolor brush in the areas that I wanted to be lighter, and using less water in the areas I wanted to be darker. Have you checked out my channel page yet? You really should, because I have a list of playlists there that you can get hooked on. There is a playlist called How to Draw, How to Watercolor, Cartoon Characters / Anime, and other playlists as well. I'll leave a link to them somewhere in this video, probably at the end. So do make sure to watch till the end of this video to check out that playlist. All those playlists. I have just grabbed a lemon yellow from my Winsor Newton watercolor Cotman set just to do her hair. I am using the same brush strokes that I used earlier, so just the back and forth brush strokes as well as the circular motions to do the blending. Who is your favorite character from the Cinderella movie? Please let me know down in the comments down below. And please also let me know why. Now I have just grabbed a white and I am working on her headscarf. The reason why I want to go over the white paper with the white is to add a bit more of a pigment to the paper, as well as to get some shading work in. I am now using the same white on her apron, just to give the same effect that it has on her headscarf. Don't forget to check out the description box below at the end of this video so that you can Have a look at all the handy information that I have down there, including all the materials I am using, as well as a link to my Instagram account where you can see more artwork. And you will also see a link to my channel where you can subscribe. I am now going to start working on the bucket, which is just a leather different shade of brown. It's kind of a light shade. When you are looking at my Wizarding watercolor copper set, you do not have to have the same set to do the tutorial. You can use whatever watercolors you have on hand, and it doesn't matter what colors you have either. You can always mix colors to make them more similar to what I have. And on her face and other skin areas, I just used a Staedtler watercolor pencil because I don't have a skin tone in my Wizarding watercolor set. However, I do have a skin tone set watercolor review coming shortly. And now you see that I am just going over that bottom part of the skirt and also adding in the blues for the bucket. And I also added in a red for her lips. Now I'm just doing a bit of a background just to get a bit more of an interest, and just using a blue and a purple, and they are very watered down to give this light rainbow kind of effect. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there for now. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and please do remember to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the like button if you like this type of content, and that will let me know to make more of this type of content. Please also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this tutorial and whether you've tried it and what art tutorial you would like me to do next. Please also do check out the description box below. I will leave down there all of the materials that I have used, plus details to my Instagram for you to follow if you wish, and there'll be other details down below in the description box as well. Please do check out the playlist at the end of this video, and I shall see you next time. Bye bye.